Hello friends, now we start the second part of unit first, vector analysis. In this part, first we see the differential of a vector, rules of vector differentiation. Now first we start with differentiation of vector. What is meaning of differentiation of vector? Suppose a vector A is a function of a scalar variable t. Here t is the scalar variable, means there is it is a scalar quantity, we say that, and A is a vector, and this vector A is a function of a scalar variable t. If t changes, the vector A also changes, means A is depend upon t. If there is small change in t, then there is change in vector A. Let a small change delta t in t cause a change in delta A in E. Means if there is in t, if we say that the small change delta t is there, in the same way here we say that there is delta A change in A. Then delta A upon delta is the average rate of change of A with respect to t. That is delta A by delta t is the average rate of change of A with respect to t. म्हणजे जेवढा डेल्टा टी मध्ये चेंज झालेला तेवढाच डेल्टा ए मध्ये चेंज झालेला आहे. सो सच टाइप ऑफ थिंग इट इज नोन एज डेल्टा ए बाय डेल्टा टी. The expression delta A upon delta t at delta t tends to 0 is the instantaneous rate of change of A with respect to t and is called a derivative of A with respect to t, and it is denoted by delta A by delta t. So this delta A by delta t as delta t tends to 0 is the instantaneous rate of change of A with respect to t, is called derivative of A with respect to t, and it is denoted by delta A by delta t. Now delta A by delta t is equal to limit delta A by delta t as delta t tends to 0. So by this formula we given the differentiation or that derivative of A with respect to t. Since the ratio of vector is a scalar, is a vector to scalar is a vector, then derivative of vector with respect to a scalar is always vector. The ratio, we say that vector to scalar is vector quantity, therefore derivative of vector with respect to a scalar is always a vector quantity. If a equal to axi plus ayj plus azk, then derivative of A with respect to t, that is dA by dt equal to dAx by dti plus day by dt j plus daz by dt k. So this is the derivative of this vector A with respect to t. Rules of vector differentiation. First rule, if A, B and C are the differentiable vector functions of a scalar t and phi is the differential scalar function of t, then here we say that d by dt a plus b we can differentiate separately by parts a and b. So you will get dA by dt plus dB by dt. Second, if here we say that d by dt a dot b, that is the dot product of a and b. So first function a into derivative of second function, that is dB by dt, plus derivative of first function into second function. So a dot dB by dt plus dA by dt dot b. So in this way we can explain the d by dt of a dot b. Similarly, if we instead of dot, if we take cross, then you will get the derivative of cross product, that is d by dt a cross b equal to a cross dB by dt plus dA by dt cross b. So just change the dot by cross, you will get the derivative of cross product. Similarly, next d by dt phi a, sorry, here phi dot a, again here also the same thing, phi dot dA by dt plus d phi by dt dot a. So in this way, here phi is the scalar quantity and therefore we can write like this, d by dt a dot b cross c, that is the scalar triple product, we say that a dot b cross c. So first function a into derivative of this second function. Again there are two functions are there, b and c. So here we take again first function into derivative of second function, that is dc by dt, plus a dot again derivative of first function db by dt cross c, plus da by dt cross dot b cross c. So in this way we can differentiate the scalar triple product. So this is one of the differential rule. And the last one, that is d by dt of a cross b cross c, that is the scalar vector triple product. So this vector triple product here also first function and this is the second function, so first function and this is the second function, and again if we differentiate this second function, so here b is the first function and c is the second function, so b cross dc by dt, again a cross db by dt cross c plus da by dt cross, here it is also cross b cross c. So in this way we can differentiate a vector triple product. Okay, thank you.